Good evening. This is Harshit, your host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. Apple is preparing to launch its Vision Pro headset in select markets in 2024 with an anticipated price tag of over rupees 2.50 lakh. To ensure a seamless introduction, the company is conducting a secret product training event for select store employees. Employees will be trained to become familiar with the Vision Pro headset and its functionalities. The training will cover details and procedures related to using the headset effectively. After returning to their respective stores, employees will share their knowledge about the product with customers. Apple aims to have at least 2 staff members from retail stores attend the training at the company's headquarters. The headset was previously showcased at WWDC 2023 and is expected to be available in the US for $3,499, approximately rupees 2.88 lakh. Next up we have Tech Mahindra Limited (TML) has approved a proposal to divest its 30% stake in Avion Networks for $50,000. Avion Networks did not significantly contribute to Tech Mahindra America Incorporation turnover or net worth. The transaction is expected to be completed on or before 31st October 2023. Tech Mahindra previously held a 30% share in Avion Networks through a wholly owned subsidiary. The decision to divest the stake aims to reduce compliance costs and manage risk. The buyers of the stake have no affiliations with TML's promoter or promoter group. This transaction is not categorized as a slump sale. Tech Mahindra is also considering an interim dividend proposal for the financial year FY 23-24 with a decision expected on 25 October. Amazon is introducing passwordless sign-ins for users accessing their accounts on iOS and web browsers. Customers can set up passkeys within their Amazon settings which allow them to use their face, fingerprint or PIN to access their accounts. Passkeys are a secure alternative to traditional passwords and one-time codes offering enhanced protection against phishing attacks. This feature will be gradually rolled out starting with the iOS Amazon Shopping app and soon expanding to the Android app. Amazon's initiative emphasizes the importance of ease of use and security for its customers, enhancing their online experiences. DJI has launched the DJI Pocket 3, a handheld gimbal camera combination with a range of innovative features. Notably, the device features a rotating screen that can be adjusted independently, making it ideal for creating content on platforms like TikTok. The redesigned control side accommodates a larger LCD screen, offering a wider viewing angle for users who prefer a horizontal orientation. The device is priced at $585.20 with expected availability in Western regions. It comes with a robust 1300 mAh battery providing 1.5 times the capacity of the Pocket 2. DJI's expertise in gimbals and camera technology continues to deliver quality footage and stabilization for content creators. The Galaxy Tab A9 series includes two variants, the Tab A9 and the Tab A9 Plus. The base variant Tab A9 is priced at Rs 12,999 while the larger Tab A9 Plus start at Rs 18,999. Both tablets are powered by MediaTek's Helio G99 chipset and the Snapdragon 695 SoC, offering good performance. Both tablets supports storage expansion of up to 1 TB through a micro SD card slot, providing ample storage capacity. They come with Samsung Knox for enhanced security features ensuring data protection. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is available in two configurations, one with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage and another with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Both tablets feature an 8MP and 8 megapixel rear camera with autofocus capabilities, and the Tab A9 has a 2 megapixel selfie camera. These tablets can be purchased through the official Samsung website and Amazon, providing customers with easy access to the product. Next up we have Nvidia, a leading AI chip company, is planning to design central processing units (CPUs) for Windows PCs using ARM Holdings technology. The move aligns with Microsoft's efforts to enable chip makers to create ARM-based processors for Windows PCs. The target of this endeavor is to compete with Apple, which has significantly increased its market share with ARM-based chips for Mac computers. advanced micro devices, AMD is also entering this space with plans to produce chips for ARM-based PCs. Nvidia and AMD could offer PC chips as early as 2025, joining Qualcomm, which has been making ARM-based chip for laptops since 2016. Microsoft envisions AI-enhanced software as an integral part of using Windows, which these chip makers aim to facilitate. This move may introduce competition to a PC industry historically dominated by Intel. At last, Tinder has introduced a new feature named Matchmaker, allowing users to involve friends and family in their dating experience. This feature is accessible in 15 countries, including India, with plans for a global rollout in the near future. In India, 75% of singles admit to discussing their dating life with friends multiple times a month. The feature lets users swipe for friends, allowing their friends to contribute to their dating choices. In India, 41% of young singles have used dating apps with a friend, providing a shared experience. The Matchmaker feature aims to make the dating experience more engaging and collaborative. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to ITWise for the latest tech news.
Hey there, tech buddies. Today we have got our hands on the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and we are going to unbox it right here, right now. Let's not keep the excitement waiting.
And there you go. There's the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And voila, here they are, sitting snug in this sleek charging case. Now at first glance I think the design screams elegance. Oh man, but this feels premium. Samsung has gone all out with dual drivers in each bud, delivering fantastic bass and clarity. And oh, the 24-bit high sound quality is bound to make your audio experience surreal. Now let's talk juice. These buds offer up to 20 hours of playtime, and with the case, guess what? The case supports wireless charging. That's right, no string attached, literally. The touch controls are intuitive and the sensitivity is spot on, making it a breeze to control your tunes and take calls on the go. The active noise cancellation is competent, immersing you in your own world of music away from the hustle and the bustle.
There you go, folks. There's a lot more to delve into. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for a deep dive review. Got any questions or something you'd like us to cover? Drop it down in the comment section and we'll cover it for you.